Hey Jen, I'm Khalid Hassan, founder and CEO of Fame Media. So I make a free analysis video for your YouTube channel. Please watch this video full and I think it will help you to grow fast. I make this 10 topic for your channel and I will rate every topic here. So you just watch this video, it will help you. So if I go your website, here is your social media account. I see that Instagram has great followers, Facebook and Twitter is great, and here is YouTube is maybe not good, but 1.2k subscribers is good. And if I go your YouTube channel, so I will discuss in detail. So here is total 10 topic. I will just rate here and I will discuss more about in here. So this is channel design. So if I go to your channel, here is banner and logo. Banner is good, but if you just improve your logo, your pic, I think there is some blur. So please update it and it will be good. So just I am rating here 5 out of 10, right? And number 2 is thumbnail. So if I go your YouTube channel, this is your thumbnail design. So I think this is very beginner and not good. So you need to just upgrade your thumbnail. The thumbnail will get more clicks into your video. So it is definitely first step to get more views. So you need to improve this. I will rate just 1 here. And number 3 is video topic. Number 4 is video edit and number 5 is audio quality. So these 3 steps will come together because they are related. So if you see, just I am taking randomly any video. So I pick this video.
Are you? I've got Austin, Texas, and Nashville, Indiana, Tampa. Hey, I used to live in St. Pete.
You don't have any video edit. Maybe your topic is good, but you don't have any video edit and your audio quality is not good. And I think your every video just like this. So this way you are not growing, right? So I'm just putting video topic maybe 5, video editing 1 and audio quality is 1 out of 10. And if I go again your channel and shorts form, so if I open any shorts video, you're not getting too much views, right?
Okay, friends, I'm today years old.
So same here, video editing not good, audio quality is bad,
Trust me, I get it. Check this out.
topic may be good. So I'm rating here. Short video edit is 1, audio quality is 1. So finally I'm going your SEO section. Any video I'm just taking, just see, you are getting 20 out of 100 SEO score. This is very poor. At least you need to gain minimum 80 plus, right? So if you gain 80 plus SEO score from YouTube, you will get much more organic views, right? So you need to SEO here. And if I scroll down, just see, title good, no tag, no description, just see, no tag, no channel tag. So very poor SEO. So you need to just optimize your all video, and later I will tell you that how you need to do it. So I'm just putting SEO score is maybe 1, and number 9 and number 10 I will tell you end of this video. So now how you will improve this all steps: video editing, audio, thumbnail design, and I will just going my website. So if you just click the portfolio section, just watch a little bit editing.
Imagine spending 18 years in prison for a crime you didn't commit. This is the nightmare a man named Kenny Walters lived through. In 1980...
Welcome to the challenging world of medical school.
And
This is very top class editing, so you can watch this if you have free time. So please go to femedias.com and just watch the video editing. And if you go the shorts section, here you will get good types of editing in short video, and you also select these types of shots, also select these types of shots, also you can these types of editing on your video. So this is great. And for the thumbnail, just watch this thumbnail, right? So this is professional thumbnail, and you can easily make all things in your channel, in your video. If you edit one video, you will definitely upload every social media. So this is very great, and I know that you are just doing great your other social media. So just work professional, just improve your audio, improve your video editing, improve your thumbnail design, and just work professionally, right? And number 9 is targeted audience. So I don't know how much money you are making from your audience. I see that good amount of audience you have, so just target your audience and build your brand and make 10x more income from your audience. I will tell you more in detail. So if you have time to talk with me, please book a free call with me and let's talk, and I will talk detail there. So thank you for watch this video. There is simple analysis. So thank you, Jen.